Hey, car enthusiasts! Let's talk about something super important for keeping your ride happy and healthy. Oil changes. Just like we need regular checkups, our cars need them too. Oil changes are like a spa day for your engine, keeping it running smooth and strong. Think of oil as the lifeblood of your car's engine. It flows through all the important parts, keeping everything running smoothly. Without it, your engine would be like a body without blood, not good. So buckle up and let's dive into the world of oil changes and discover why they're the key to a happy and long-lasting car. Imagine your engine as a finely tuned machine with lots of moving parts. These parts rub against each other, creating friction and heat. That's where oil comes in. Oil acts like a protective layer, reducing friction and preventing those parts from wearing down. But that's not all. Oil also helps to cool down the engine, preventing it from overheating. It traps dirt and debris, keeping your engine clean and happy. Regular oil changes ensure that your engine always has a fresh supply of this magic liquid, allowing it to perform at its best. Now let's talk about what happens when you skip those crucial oil changes. Remember all those amazing things oil does for your engine? Well, over time, oil gets dirty and loses its effectiveness. It's like trying to run a marathon after forgetting to hydrate. Not a good idea. Dirty oil can't lubricate the engine parts properly, leading to increased friction and wear and tear. It's like sandpaper rubbing against metal. Ouch. This can cause serious damage to your engine, leading to costly repairs. Trust me, neglecting oil changes is like playing Russian roulette with your car's engine. It's not worth the risk. Regular oil changes don't just prevent bad things from happening, they also unlock your car's true potential. When your engine is running on fresh, clean oil, it performs at its best. You'll notice smoother acceleration, increased power, and a quieter ride. Think of it like giving your car a shot of espresso. It wakes up the engine, giving it the boost it needs to perform at its peak. So, if you want to experience the thrill of a happy and powerful engine, make sure to stick to your regular oil change schedule. Keeping your engine young at heart. Just like a healthy lifestyle can add years to your life, regular maintenance can do wonders for your car's engine. One of the most crucial aspects of this maintenance is regular oil changes. These can significantly extend the life of your car's engine by ensuring that all the moving parts are well lubricated and functioning smoothly. By reducing wear and tear, preventing overheating, and keeping everything running smoothly, oil changes act like an anti-aging treatment for your car. Think of it as giving your car a spa day. The engine gets a fresh start, free from the sludge and grime that can accumulate over time. Regular oil changes not only keep the engine clean, but also improve its efficiency. This means better fuel economy and a smoother ride. A well-maintained engine can last for hundreds of thousands of miles, making it possible for you to enjoy your car for many years to come. This not only saves you money on expensive repairs and replacements down the road, but also gives you peace of mind knowing that your car is in good shape. It's a small investment that pays off big time in the long run. The benefits far outweigh the costs, making it a no-brainer for any car owner. So, if you want your car to be with you for the long haul, make oil changes a non-negotiable part of your car care routine. It's one of the simplest yet most effective ways to ensure your vehicle's longevity. Remember, a little effort now can save you a lot of trouble later. Keep your engine young at heart, and it will keep you on the road for years to come. Fuel efficiency. Saving money, mile after mile. In this section, we will explore how you can save money on fuel by maintaining your car properly. Did you know that regular oil changes can actually save you money on gas? It's true. Many people overlook this simple maintenance task, but it can have a significant impact on your fuel economy. When your engine is running on clean oil, it doesn't have to work as hard, which means it uses less fuel. Clean oil reduces friction between the moving parts of your engine, allowing it to run more efficiently. Think of it like this: trying to run through mud versus running on a smooth track. The mud creates resistance, making you work harder and tire out faster. This is similar to how dirty oil can make your engine work harder. The mud creates resistance, making you work harder and tire out faster. On the other hand, running on a smooth track allows you to glide effortlessly, conserving your energy. The same principle applies to your car's engine. Clean oil acts like a smooth track, reducing resistance and allowing your engine to run more efficiently. This not only improves your car's performance, but also extends its lifespan. By reducing friction and improving engine efficiency, regular oil changes help your car sip fuel instead of guzzling it, putting more money back in your pocket. Over time, the savings can really add up, making regular oil changes a smart investment for any car owner. So, next time you're due for an oil change, remember that it's not just about keeping your engine healthy, it's also about saving money mile after mile. How often should you treat your car? This is a crucial question for every car owner. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your vehicle running smoothly and efficiently. Now that you know how awesome oil changes are, you're probably wondering how often you should treat your car to this spa day. Oil changes are like giving your car a refreshing drink, keeping its engine lubricated and running cool. As a general rule of thumb, most car manufacturers recommend an oil change every 3,000 miles or every 3 months, whichever comes first. This helps to ensure that your engine remains in top condition, preventing wear and tear. However, it's always best to consult your car's owner's manual for specific recommendations based on your car's make and model. The manual provides tailored advice that takes into account the unique needs of your vehicle. Some cars have different oil change intervals, so it's always better to be safe than sorry. For instance, newer models might have longer intervals due to advanced engine technology and synthetic oils. Think of it like following a recipe. Using the right ingredients and measurements ensures a delicious outcome. Just as you wouldn't skip steps in a recipe, don't skip your car's maintenance schedule. Regular oil changes are a small investment for a long-lasting, healthy engine. Remember, taking care of your car is not just about oil changes. Regular checkups, tire rotations, and brake inspections are also essential. Treat your car well, and it will serve you faithfully for years to come. A happy car is a well-oiled machine. So there you have it, folks. Regular oil changes are the secret sauce to a happy, healthy, and long-lasting car. They're like a mini vacation for your engine, keeping it running smoothly and efficiently for years to come. Remember, a well-maintained car is a joy to drive, so make those oil changes a priority. Until next time, keep those engines purring.